everythingRF. Latest products this week, 3rd October to 9th October, 2024. 2-port USB-controlled lab-grade VNA from 300 kHz to 6.5 GHz by Copper Mountain Technologies. 30 dB directional coupler from 1.7 to 20 GHz by Krytar. 1.2 kilowatt, 4-way power splitter combiner from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz by Mini Circuits. 7 dB power film chip attenuator from DC to 18 GHz by Spectrum Control. 100-watt GaN on SEG power amplifier palette from 1164 to 1300 MHz for radar applications by RFHIC. WR62 high-power circulator assembly by Scientific Microwave Corporation. 16-way power divider combiner from 700 to 7250 MHz by Vonix. 10 MHz ultra-portable high-precision performance rubidium oscillator by Safran Electronics Defense. 6 dB fixed attenuator from DC to 110 GHz by Hyperlabs. 60-watt GaN power amplifier from 7.9 to 8.4 GHz by Qorvo. 1 or 2-piece drawn seamless EMI RFI shields by Massac Tech. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, Navic, and QZ S-band smart antenna receiver by Quectel. Low PIM 7/16 DIN male termination from 0.380 to 2.700 GHz by Mecca. Low noise amplifier from DC to 22 GHz by ZCOM. LoRaWAN IoT wool from 150 to 960 MHz by Moromico. Wideband directional coupler from 20 to 40 GHz by Knowles. Phase stable and flexible cable assemblies from DC to 50 GHz by Mori Microwave. Bluetooth 5.3 low energy module by Panasonic Corporation. All-noise cryogenic amplifier from 6 to 8.5 GHz by Amplitech, Incorporated. All-noise cryogenic amplifier from 6 to 8.5 GHz by Amplitech, Incorporated. All-portable analog signal generator from 9 kHz to 12/2026 GHz by Keysight Technologies. Silicon SPST non-reflective switch from 100 MHz to 55 GHz by Analog Devices. 300-watt GaN on SEG hemp power transistor from 2.4 to 2.5 GHz by Amplion. Watt band waveguide power amplifier from 75 to 110 GHz by Microwave. Bluetooth 5.1 radio module from 2360 to 2500 MHz by Worth Electronic. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 4 Bluetooth 5.2 module by Quectel. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.